Happy National Fried Chicken Day to all! Fried chicken has a rich and diverse history with contributions from various cultures and regions. Here is an overview of its origins and development. Early influences. First, West Africa. Cooking chicken by frying in hot oil has roots in West African cuisine, where deep frying poultry was a common practice. Scotland. Scottish immigrants brought the practice of frying chicken in fat to the American South. And like the English, who baked or boiled chicken, Scots preferred frying it. American South. In the American South, the Scottish frying techniques combined with West African seasoning traditions. Enslaved African Americans often cooked fried chicken, infusing it with spices and flavors. The combination of these cultural influences led to the distinctive style of Southern fried chicken, seasoned, breaded, and deep-fried. Popularization. Fried chicken became popular in the southern United States and was often associated with Southern hospitality and home cooking. It gained widespread popularity during the 20th century, particularly with the advent of fast food chains like Kentucky Fried Chicken (KFC), which helped to commercialize and globalize fried chicken. Global influence. Today, fried chicken is enjoyed worldwide, with each region adding its unique twist. For example, Korean fried chicken is known for its double frying technique, which results in extra crispy skin. In summary, while fried chicken has roots in both West African and Scottish cooking traditions, it evolved into its current form in the American South, influenced by a blend of cultures and culinary practices. Fried chicken is often enjoyed for its taste and crispy texture, but when it comes to health benefits, it is generally considered a less healthy option due to its high fat and calorie content. However, there are some aspects to consider. Protein content. High protein. Chicken is a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Nutrients. Vitamins and minerals. Chicken provides essential vitamins and minerals, such as B vitamins, niacin, B6, B12, phosphorus, and selenium, which are important for energy metabolism, nerve function, and maintaining healthy cells. Healthier alternatives. Baking or air frying. Opting for baked or air-fried chicken can significantly reduce the amount of unhealthy fats while still providing a similar taste and texture. Lean cuts. Choosing skinless chicken breasts over thighs or wings can lower the fat content. Healthy oils. If frying at home, using healthier oils like olive oil or avocado oil can be a better choice than traditional frying oils. Contextual considerations. Balanced diet. When consumed as part of a balanced diet that includes plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and fruits, occasional indulgence in fried chicken can fit into a healthy eating pattern. Iron absorption. Enhanced iron absorption. Chicken contains heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. This can be beneficial for individuals at risk of iron deficiency. Potential drawbacks. However, it's important to also consider the potential drawbacks. High in calories and fat. Fried chicken is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, saturated and trans fats, and may contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Sodium content. Many fried chicken recipes and fast food options are high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Processed ingredients. Commercially prepared fried chicken may contain additives and preservatives that are not as present in homemade VIR. While fried chicken can be enjoyed occasionally, it is best to be mindful of portion sizes and balance it with healthier food choices to maintain overall health and well-being. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.